Location sharing stopped working after updating to iOS 27. Whether your iPhone says location unavailable, no location found, or your location simply isn't updating, I'll show you the best fixes to get it working again. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Next, tap Location Services and make sure Location Services is turned on. Now scroll down and tap Share My Location. Make sure Share My Location is enabled. Also verify that Find My iPhone, Find My Network, and Send Last Location are all turned on. These features are required for reliable location sharing. Go back to Settings and tap your Apple account at the top. Select Find My. Confirm that Share My Location is turned on. Also check that My Location is set to this iPhone, especially if you use multiple Apple devices with the same Apple account. If the problem started after the iOS 27 update, resetting your location permissions can often fix it. Open Settings. Go to General, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset, then tap Reset Location and Privacy. Enter your passcode to confirm. Don't worry, this won't erase your personal data. It simply resets your location and privacy permissions. If location sharing still isn't working, return to Settings. Tap your Apple account, scroll to the bottom and tap Sign Out. Follow the prompts and enter your Apple account password if requested. After signing out, restart your iPhone. Then sign back in using the same Apple account. Once you're signed in again, open Find My or Messages and test location sharing. If you're sharing with someone else, make sure both iPhones are connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Location services are enabled on both devices. The other person has accepted your location sharing request. If either device is offline, your location may appear as unavailable. If this is a known bug, Apple may have already released a fix. Go to Settings, then tap General, choose Software Update. If an update is available, install it and test location sharing again. Those are the most effective ways to fix location sharing issues after updating to iOS 27. In most cases, checking your Find My settings, resetting location and privacy, or signing back into your Apple account resolves the problem. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.